Hello, hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle we have here in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 31st, 2021, and we have three puzzles to go. First, the binary puzzle I will do, then a tectonic with 4 stars, and the last one, a killer Sudoku. Alright, so this one, let me see, where's my red pencil? Yes, here. This one will be a number 3324. Before I start, let me count it. Boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s in the second row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. The first row we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we, double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, yes. Wow. A record. Yes, for a binary puzzle in 2 minutes. I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, I will do a tectonic. See you then. Bye bye for now.